All right, hi guys. I hope everybody is doing well. We're on to week 3 of our online learning, week 30 overall as we speak. Hopefully, this will be the last week that we have to do this, and we'll be back in school after spring break. Who knows? But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys my intro video or my expectation for this week as we're going through. I try to keep things a little bit more simpler this week. And so what I did was in the agenda that when you click on this, right, I put all of the links there. So everything goes through here. So you can still use the calendar, right? Everything will be on the calendar still, like it's always been like when we go through classes. But I'm thinking maybe with one document like this and going from here might be a little bit easier for all of you guys. Just let me know feedback wise if this is better or if you guys prefer the other way that I was doing it. But I just basically, if you just look at the timeline or make a copy for yourself, you can go on here and everything is linked straight to here. All right. This week, no packet, right? All we're doing is what we would normally do in class, which is notes due Monday, right? And then the lab is due at Friday, which will take you for the rest of the week. All right. What I did this week that's a little bit new is that I'm going to now be doing a Blackboard Collaborate video session every single day from 10:30 to 11. All right. And this is just a way for me, and I wrote it down in here, is if you're doing the lab, if you would rather kind of do it where I kind of can go show you how to go through every single step. I'm thinking maybe if you just do one of those sessions, if you didn't know what you were doing, it would help you understand how to do the rest as you're going through it. But it's just a way for you to kind of watch me do it and ask questions at the same time. I know sometimes it can be difficult doing it at home and not being able to ask questions if I wasn't there. So these video collaborations, they're only 30 minutes long, but I will go over like exactly which questions. Like for example, on Wednesday, I'm going to do questions number 2 through 5, right? That's the very, very beginning. On Thursday, I'll do questions 6 through 9, right? And then on Friday, I'll do questions 10 through 12. All right, I'm going to start pretty much where like the very beginning of each session will be like 5 minutes of questions. And then I'm just going to start getting into it. So if you join in late, and you were hoping to see, let's say, number 6, I might be already on number 7 or number 8. If there's time remaining at the end, I can go back to the one that you missed, but try and get on there at the time that I specify, just so that we can kind of stay to a structure that is right there. So that's kind of where this is going at, but pretty much everything else is the same, right? No packet this week, thank goodness, that you have to do. But there is an exit ticket at the end of this, just like last week. So basically the exit ticket, I'm not calling it a quiz because it's not going to be a quiz, but it's a way for me to understand whether or not you're kind of grasping the concepts. One of the things that you'll see that is that if you do not score 70% or higher, you won't get full credit for the assignment. But what you can do if you don't get a 70% or higher is I want you to take it over again to see, obviously, to retake it and see if you can get that. If you are having issues, right, where you're not able to get over 70%, because I don't want you just guessing, right? Now, you can use your notes and you can use all those kind of things, the lab, to do it. But if you're just guessing and not understanding what's going on, I will ask that you do some remediation with me about that, probably most likely next week. So just letting you guys know where we're headed towards this. But please use this document to kind of help you stay in manage of what you need to accomplish. The other thing I want to say is, again, thank you for most of you guys who are doing all the work that's asked of you to do. I know some of you guys are a little bit frustrated. I completely understand that. But you guys got to email us. You guys got to let us know what's going on, right? Feedback is really, really big for us. I mean, for all of us, this is the first time we're doing online learning. So there's going to be some bumps and bruises along the way. So hearing some feedback from you guys would be really, really helpful, all right, about that. But Please check also your Power School. All right, there are some of you guys who have some outstanding work. It will say missing if I don't have it. So please make sure that you go on there and check that. I still haven't graded your labs. That's something that I'm going to do on Monday. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, please ask. I don't have office hours on Monday, but I will have on Tuesday. But you can always email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right. Like I said, I hope I see you guys after spring break. I miss you guys. I'd rather teach in front of you guys instead of behind a screen, but this is where we're at. So be in good spirits. I hope you guys are doing well. All right. Bye.